today?
Apo.
Okay, ganito lang gagawin mo. For example, mag-uumpisa muna tayo sa birthday boy na si Kuya Rainier. Ang sasabihin mo lang, happy birthday Rainier, mahabang mahaba. Huwag kang hihinto hanggat hindi ka namamatay. Okay, gaya mo ba yon?
Apo.
Opo, ready ka na?
Apo.
Mamatay?
Apo.
Opo, ayan, okay. For example, 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday.
Ayan, okay, sasabihin mo lang, happy birthday Rainier. 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Rainier.
Ayan, ang galing ni ate, ang haba, no? Ayan, ginalingan mo ate agad, hindi pa nating game yun, talagang for example pa lang yon. Ayan, okay, ito ready na to, ha? Ready, 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday.
Nag-aaral ka ba?
Apo.
Opo, ayan, okay, 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Rainier.
Ilang taon ka na ate?
7 years old po.
7, ayan, okay, ready ka na ba talaga ate?
Apo.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Rainier.
Yung malakas ate, lasing ka ba ate? Ayan. Ang cute ni ate, no? Cute tumawa, no? Tignan niyo yung ngipin, parang Bluetooth ng cellphone. Okay, ha? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday.
Anong grade ka na ate?
Grade 2 po.
Okay, grade 2. Okay, kids, ha? Sabay-sabay tayo bibilang. Pati si ate bibilang. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Rainier.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129,
Nakailan? Naka 41, hiningal kami. Ayan, okay. Sa lalaki naman tayo, sa boss. Ayan.